Hi, my name's Gabe. For this problem, we're asked to factor the polynomial 2x squared plus 4x minus 2x cubed. Let's begin by rewriting this polynomial in standard form. So rewriting this in standard form, we have negative 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x. Now what we'll want to notice here is that each of these terms has a factor of 2x. So what we'll want to factor out is a 2x. But to make life easier throughout the problem, we'll factor out a negative 2x. And what we're left with is a negative 2x times an x squared minus x minus 2. So now we have negative 2x times x squared minus x minus 2. And in order for us to completely factor this problem, we need to try to factor x squared minus x minus 2. So if we come over here and just work with x squared minus x minus 2, let's try to factor this by grouping. So what we see here is that a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1, and c is equal to negative 2. Well, the product AC is equal to 1 times negative 2 is equal to negative 2. And what we're looking for is we're looking for two numbers which multiply to negative 2 and add to negative 1. Well, in this case, 1 times negative 2 is equal to negative 2, and 1 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 1. So going back to our polynomial, what we can do here is we can rewrite x squared minus x minus 2 as x squared plus x minus 2x minus 2. And since we're factoring by grouping, we'll group the first two terms and the last two terms. So this can be rewritten as x squared plus x minus 2x plus 2. And now we're just going to concern ourselves with the common factor in each of these two terms. Well, the common factor in x squared plus x is x, so we will factor out an x, and we're left with x times x plus 1. And the common factor in 2x plus 2 is 2. So we will factor out a 2. And what we're left with is 2 times x plus 1. So now what we see here is that x plus 1 is a common factor in each of these two terms. So this factors into x plus 1 times x minus 2. So this right here, this x plus 1 times x minus 2, is our factorization of x squared minus x minus 2. Now taking this back to the problem, we can now rewrite this x squared minus x minus 2 factor as an x plus 1 times an x minus 2, leaving us with a factorization of negative 2x times x plus 1 times x minus 2. Thank you.